Welcome to Body Energy Therapy. Today we're going to be talking about the energies found within the human body. We all know we eat food for energy, but when we eat a piece of fruit or meat or broccoli, the body doesn't recognize that as energy. There's a process it has to go through. So I'm going to simplify this a little. When we eat food through a process called cellular respiration, our body turns the energy from that food into an energy source it can use. This is known as chemical energy or stored energy. This can also be called potential energy. Now, from potential energy, using ATP, we get mechanical energy. Now, what does the body do with mechanical energy? Well, it uses that to run, to jump, to sit. All of our movement is basically mechanical. So now we know there is chemical and mechanical energy running through our body. There is also thermal energy in our body. What is the thermal energy used for? Well, that's used to keep our body temperature and our metabolism working correctly. So just a quick recap. From food, we get work or mechanical energy, thermal energy, and stored or chemical energy. There is also another kind of energy found within the human body, and that is electricity. So how is that produced? Well, the cells in our body can, through a chemical process, make electricity. And there is, think about it, trillions and trillions of cells within our body. Now, not every cell can make electricity, but a majority of them can. If you break it down even further, what is our smallest part? And that is, you guessed it, the atom. So the atom, which is made up of protons, neurons, and electrons. So within the nucleus of the atom, that is the center of the atom, we find protons, and they are positively charged, neutrons, which have no charge. And outside, orbiting the nucleus, you find electrons. Now, electrons are negatively charged. Now, an atom can become positive or negatively charged. And this happens when an electron moves from one atom to another. And when that happens, when the electron moves from one atom to another, it creates electricity. So, what does our body use the electricity for? Well, our heart uses electricity to keep the heart rate going. Also, our brain, through our nervous system, uses electricity to send commands throughout the entire body, and vice versa. So, we all have electricity within our body. So, to recap, we have chemical energy within our body, we have mechanical energy within our body, we have thermal energy within our body, and electrical energy within our body. Now remember, wherever there is electricity, there is also a magnetic field that is produced. And we'll get into that in another video. Thank you for your time and energy. I wish you all well. Stay strong.